Yes, hello everyone. So in last class we completed highest common factor, that is nothing but HCF of any two numbers. How to find the HCF of given two numbers. Now in this class we are going to discuss about the LCM of two numbers. That means least common multiple. LCM means LCM full form least common multiple. Then how to find? So before that, first write the common multiples of for the first two numbers. Now for example, if I give two numbers 4 comma 6, write down the multiples of 4 here. Multiples of 4, that means 4 ones are 4 twos are 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 36, 40 and so on. ఇలా వస్తూనే ఉంటాయి. Multiples are infinite. Now write down the multiples of 6 also. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36 and so on. అవి కూడా ఇలా వస్తూనే ఉంటాయి. Now the multiples of 4 and 6, what are the common multiples here? Common multiples. What are the common multiples here? 6, sorry, not 6 Nana. 12 is the common multiple, 12. And what is the next common multiple? 24, 24 is there, 24 is the one more common multiple. And 36 is also one common multiple and so on. These are all common multiples. So in these common multiples, what is the least common multiple value? 12. 12 is the least common multiple value. So that's why 12 is called as the LCM of 4 comma 6. Is it clear? It's very simple. So in the common multiples, what is the least value? That is called LCM of the given two numbers. Here 12 is called as the LCM of the 4 and 6 here, because of it is the least common multiple. Common multiples are there after 12, 24, 36 and so on is there, but least common multiple 12 only. So that's why it is called as the LCM of 4 comma 6. For large numbers it is not possible to write down like this multiples. So for those we can use another method, that is the prime factorization method. Now see how to find the LCM by using prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. So in prime factorization method, how to find the LCM of the given two numbers. Now for example, if I give 12 comma 16 are the two numbers, find the LCM of 12 comma 16. So first write down prime factorization of 12 first. Prime factorization, that is 12 prime factorization. How can you write down? 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6. That's it. That is 2 into 2 into 3. It is a prime factorization of 12. Similarly, write down the prime factorization of 16 also. 16 prime factorization. 2 8 is 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. That means 16, how can you write down prime factorization? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Now in this, what are the common factors first of all? So 2 is the common factor here. Here one more 2 is the common factor here. Here 3 is there, but here common 3 is not there. So that's why, therefore, LCM of 12 comma 16 is, first to take the common factors. Here 2 is a common, here 2 is a common. That is 2 into 2 into, what are the remaining extra factors except the common? Except the common factors, some extra factors are there. Here what is the extra factor? 3. Here 2 into 2. Now multiply all these values. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 twos are 24, 24 twos are 48. So 48 is the LCM of 12 comma 16. Is it clear? See, first to take the common factors. After that, we can take the extra factors. Now we'll discuss one more example to understand this. Take one 8 comma 9. 8 comma 9. Find the LCM of 8 comma 9 by using prime factorization. First factors of prime factors of 8 write down. So that means 2 into 2 into 2, because 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 9 prime factorization, 3 into 3 only. 3 into 3. Now, what are the common factors here? There is no common factor here. So if there are no common factors, therefore LCM of 8 comma 9 is, so there is no common factor means multiply all the factors. That means 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That is nothing but 72 here. So there are no common factors here. Understood? Means if there is no common factor between the given two numbers, how to find LCM? Just to doing the multiplication of the given two numbers only. See, for example, 7 comma 5 LCM. Both are different numbers. There is no common factor. There is no common factor here. So that's why what is the LCM of 7 comma 5? Just to multiply the given two numbers. 7 5s are 35. So directly multiply the given two numbers if there are no common factors for the given two numbers. Is it clear? Next, in the division method, how can you find the LCM in the division method? Division method is very simple. Now see here, division method. Find the LCM of 36 comma 16 in division method. Not only these two, you can take any 3 or 4 numbers also, you can take it, no problem. So LCM of 36 comma 16. So first write down like this, 36 comma 16. First take least prime number, that means 2. 2 ones are, 2 8s are. This one 2 8 is 16. Next again 2. 2 9s are 18. This one 2 4s are 8. Now take 3 here. 3 3s are 9. But 4 is not divisible with 3. So that's why 4 write down like that only. Now 3 though. 3 1s are, 4 is not divisible. Write down like that only. Next directly write down 4 1s are here. You can do it with the 2 also, no problem. But here only a single number is there. So that's why I am taking directly 4 here. Now therefore LCM of 36 comma 16 is, multiply all these values. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 4. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Into 4, 36 4s are 144. Is it clear? Next to take one more example. Find the LCM of 9 comma 6 comma 12. 3 numbers. How to find the LCM of 3 numbers here in the division method? Now see here. So write down here 9, 6, 12. All are the multiples of 3 only, na? So directly take 3 here. 3 3s are, 3 2s are, 3 4s are. Now you can take it 2 because of 2 multiples values here 2 are there. So that's why 2 I am taking. So 3 write down keep like that because of 3 is not divisible with 2 here. So 3 write down like that only. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Next to 2 again. 3 write down like that only. 1. 2 ones are 2. Next to take 3 here. 3 ones are 3. 1 keep like that only. That means LCM of 9, 6, 12 is how much? 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 3s are 36. So 36 is the LCM of given 3 numbers. Is it clear? Yes. So in next class we discuss what is the relationship between LCM and HCF on given two numbers. What is the relationship between among all these 4 factors, among all 4 things here. In next class we discuss that one. Okay, thank you.